On right now, I think we're going to go ahead and move into introductions. So, my name is Isaac Kirkpatrick. I am the Chief Executive Officer of our robotics team.
I'm Matthew Walden. I'm our Chief Marketing Officer.
I'm Connor George, and I'm our Chief Building Officer.
I'm Ethan Kirkpatrick, and I'm our Chief Safety Officer.
I'm Carson Hamby, and I'm a marketing team member.
All right. So our mission statement. The key goal of our robotics team is proving that students will lead to a brighter future one challenge at a time. So one main thing that we like to prove through our robotics team is that students are capable of big things, and we believe that we illustrate that quite well. Next, we have our brand promise. The goal of the Raider Robotics team is to provide safe and secure, sustainable products that you can trust to power your job site. With free and quick warranty repairs to make sure that you can run day and night without worry of failure. We believe our main goal is providing safe equipment in a sustainable way. We believe that sustainability is a key, especially for companies nowadays, because we do not want to contribute to waste. Now I'm going to move to Ethan Kirkpatrick for why Raider Robotics.
I'm Ethan Kirkpatrick.
First, we're going to go into
Okay, challenge accepted. So this year, our robot will have to navigate a dangerous construction site and complete a myriad of different tasks. Some of the actions that will be required to perform are an autonomous removal of our pipe bundle from a dangerous area, demolishing a building, removing and relocating rubble, as well as moving objects from place to place into their proper containment areas. This led to our plan of attack. We focus mainly on the autonomous removal of the pipe bundle to score the majority of our points, and we have a specifically designed arm to lift and place the pipe bundle safely and securely onto our trailer. And then why Raider Robotics? Our Raider Robotics team is completely run by our students. Our robot is 100% student built, student designed, and student operated. And we have a long track record of success since our company was founded in 2013. And then our action statement. We are looking for a $2 million investment, and this will give us enough capital to produce 2 functional models of our robot, as well as have funds remaining to market those robots. And we believe that this is a reasonable investment because our projected profits and current brand recognition at this time.
I'm Matthew Walden. I'm going to go over our team demographics. Our Raider Robotics program was established in 2013. Since then, we have participated in Gatekeeper, Blade Runner, BET Farm, Pay Dirt, Current Events, Off the Grid, Crossfire, and Outbreak, and we've won 46 awards in that time. Our school has 475 students in grades 7 through 12. This year, we represent 11 members out of our school who choose to partake in robotics. Our team consists of 73% men and 27% female. We also have facilitated a special needs student this year. We believe that anyone and everyone should be able to have access to robotics. Here you can see our current team members and the amount of time they have been on our team. This year we have had a lot of new team members who have not previously participated in BEST Robotics, which means we have spent a lot of time training our new members in multiple disciplines.
Yeah, we've done a lot of, I guess you could say, rebuilding this year. We lost a lot of our senior members last year as they graduated out. So this year, a big part was sowing the new seeds into our company and making sure that our brand will remain sustainable even after we're gone.
As you can tell, we take a lot of pride in the fact that our team is very well-rounded in multiple areas. You can also see that many of our students take on more than a single responsibility, which helps us stay accountable as a team.
Yeah, we've had to lean on each other a lot this year, as I said, with a lot of new team members. So a lot of us have had to step up and fill some roles that may have been vacant after somebody left. So as you can see, there are a couple repeat names up there, but it's just part of what goes into making sure that we're successful and make sure that we're doing our job right.
This year we are looking to expand by hiring 10 more workers in the next year and training them through on-site experience, creating and researching new ideas. We are also wanting to expand the skills of our current members, which we plan to do by studying how other companies are creating products and using that to adapt our products. Next year, we are wanting to have an even more diversity by hiring new workers, which I mentioned earlier, who can give their own opinions and ideas to the team to adapt and create even better robots. As a sustainable company, we care about not only our workers, but the environment as well. Putting these both together means that safety plays a big role in not only our manufacturing process, but beginning at the research and design stage.
I'm Carson Hamby, and I will be talking about product outreach.
You may have to speak.
We
Yeah.
decided to use 3 types of social media to help others learn about our team, what we do, and why we have the best robot for the job, such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We felt this would reach more people in different age groups since older adults mainly use Facebook, younger people use Instagram, and Twitter is used by many people, especially business. We include examples of our pages here to show you we posted current events with our team and robot. This page includes Twitter and Facebook, while the next page shows Instagram. We also included some of our social outreaches to our school. One of our teachers, Miss Prickett, teaches computer science. She brought her class down on 2 occasions, one to find out about our robotics team and what we will do with the marketing team and the robot. We hope to recruit more students on our team this way. They will be visiting us on Friday to watch our competition. We love to talk about what we have done and learned with others.
One of the big things, like I said, we had to do a lot of rebuilding this year. Many of the new students who joined our robotics program told us that they found out and learned about us through our social outreach, being our Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So it was very eye-opening to us to see how the stuff that we were putting out really was having an impact on our community and how people really were paying attention to what Red Robotics is doing.
Here you can read our testimonials that members of our community have given us. You can see more on our exhibit website. Adam Gooseby, mentor. I am impressed with the impact they make on how they solve real-world problems, what they learn, and turn it around to impact the community with their knowledge and engineering expertise.
You can just pick one more.
Robotics has opened the door for a number of students to advance their interest in technology and science. It provides a forum for writing, documentation, exploration, mechanics, and teamwork. The robotics program at Pleasant Valley High School also provides another academic opportunity for students to dive deeper into a system of learning that can ultimately provide them with the knowledge towards future interests in high school, college, and careers. Ms. Arkin.
I'm Connor George, and I would like to introduce our robot, Been There, Dump That.
Thanks.
We started by researching demolition machines and job sites. After discussing possible ideas and researching the game rules, we decided on creating a claw or forklift-based robot. After sketching out our ideas, we began to slowly create our robot piece by piece, performing research and development on each part to ensure they work to the best of their ability. This year, we took the designs and placed them into a CAD model, which were produced by Matthew Walden, our Chief Marketing Officer. At the end, these were some CAD designs based off early drawings that assisted us, and they helped realize what our robot would become.
Yeah, CAD really was a big part of the design process this year because it really helped take our idea off of paper and help us look at it in 3D. It was very important as a mid-stage between development and production because there's only so much you can figure out from looking at it on paper, and this helped us visualize our robot a lot better.
This year, we applied for a grant for $2,400 through the state. It will supply us with much needed new equipment that we have not had in the past. We also received signs this year that were used on our Spirit Day, and they helped advertise our company very well. We greatly appreciate those. We also received free shirts this year in order to help display our company as well.
All of our sponsors, they were a big part. They provided us with stuff that we definitely wouldn't have gotten otherwise. And if we get this grant and it's fully realized, we believe that it will be able to take our program to the next level.
The cost of our robot varies by parts. Our chassis will cost $75,000 to make. Our wheels will cost $30,000. Our lifting mechanism will cost $105,000, and our hand assembly will cost $90,000.
The monetary amounts for that itemized pricing that you saw there were derived from the amount of time that it took us to develop each of these pieces. So these aren't numbers that we just pulled out of the air. These are numbers that we put a lot of thought into and we felt were very realistic. So now I'm going to come to you with a formal offer at the sales price of $750,000. We have manufactured a robot that can meet all of the requirements designed by the requests submitted to us from Best Robotics. We believe that this robot is the best on the market for your purposes, and we are prepared to make a formal offer. We will provide the robot and all it entails for a price of $750,000, and this not only includes the robot, but our warranty and bonus promise, which you can see displayed on the screen there. We believe that the robot, combined with these items, provides you the best possible asset for the price, and we believe that it is going to be the best investment for you. Closing remarks, we know that Raider Robotics offers the best product for you, and we hope that you're able to see what we see in our company and hope you're willing to invest in what is easily the most promising corporation in robotics today. We would now like to give you a second to look over the tradition of success that we boast here at our company. These are just some of the numerous awards that we have won over the years, and we believe that they demonstrate just why Raider Robotics is a company worth investing in. We would now like to open the floor for any questions that you might have.
So, can you tell me what makes your robot more competitive than any of the other options that we've heard today?
We believe that our robot is straightforward, easy to learn, but also does about as much on the job site that a robot would be capable of doing. We believe that since it is easy to pick up and easy to maintain, it is the best investment and will also make the best fiscal sense, I should say.
Do you have your robot with you so we can see it in operation?
Yes, sir, we do. This is the robot here, and you said you'd like to see it in operation. We might have to do a little maneuvering with the camera, but if you're willing to give us the time, that is something that we can provide to you.
Yes, please.
All right. It might be a little disorienting here for a second. You're gonna want to pick it up and probably set it up. So if you'll give us a second while our robot pairs up.
Here, give us one.
All right. So this is our robot. As you can see, it might be better if we back it a little farther away from you. The side profile, tell us if there's anything we can do to help improve the view for you. But this right here, we believe, gives a pretty decent view of our robot. We could also illustrate the lifting mechanism. This is achieved through our spindle system, which is something that we're very proud of. We've also been able to, hold on. This is the spindle system that I'm talking about. This guy right here. I don't know if y'all can see it very well on your end, but we have this year been able to reduce the points of failure to just one, and in simplifying this process, we've made it more reliable. Another part of the robot that we're proud of this year is the arm right here. On the end of the hand, I don't know if you can see, we have a little bumper right there. This helps us in the acquisition of the pipe bundle, and this allows us to push the pipe bundle off of the end of our arm. without having to try and drag it or bump it off of obstacles on the course. And if I can just move it, as you can see, our rubber wheels allow for very quick movement as well as increased maneuverability. So it's another big breakthrough we had this year was the rubber wheels. I don't know if you can see them very well. I might have to pull it a little closer, but these are also something that we're very proud of, and we provide spares to go along with them, and they're also repairable by heating up any broken ends and fusing them back together. So that goes into the sustainability. One thing I can also demonstrate for you is the autonomy of our robot. It might be a little hard to translate because we're not on the game field right now, but if you can see, I'm going to back it up and then I'll get one of my team members to grab the